How to dropship from Alibaba to eBay. Hello everyone, in this video I will show you step-by-step process on how to import and dropship from Alibaba and sell them on eBay. And I will guide you with the easy method how to easily find the best dropshippers on eBay. And I will cover everything from setting up your account to finding the winning product. And the last, how you can easily optimize the listing. So guys, make sure to finish this video until the end, then you will be able to easily import any Alibaba product to eBay account. So let's get started. As you know guys, eBay and AliExpress is the same company, but the difference between AliExpress and eBay is the shipping price. That's why most dropshippers using Alibaba. Then this video will show you how you can easily first find the dropshippers on eBay, then the last how you can easily import the product from Alibaba to your eBay account. Then guys, for example, open your eBay account, and then after verifying your account by using the existing email address or phone number, just on the search bar type, for example, a random product. Then I will show you can easily find a dropshippers. For example, this one or this one. As you know guys, eBay gives the ability to sell the product or physical product even you are not living on United States. As you see guys, I'm living on Morocco. Then this video will show you can easily import and list the product even I'm not living in United States. Then guys, first you need to find the dropshippers. For example, this product or this product. Then after finding the dropshipper, I will show you how you can easily spy the dropshippers and sell the same item that the dropshippers sell on eBay. Then guys, for example, this product is coming from China, but you need to check the account seller if she is in United States or China or in other country. Then guys, open the seller account, then go directly to about section. As you see guys, the seller from China and the product also from China, and the product also from China. That's why this is not a dropshippers. Just go back and find another product. For example, this product, it's coming from China, but the seller, you need to check seller account. As you see guys, hit on about. As you see guys, the seller from Israel. This is a dropshippers guys. Then if you want to spy this account seller, just hit on shop. Then you need to scroll down to, and the last thing, to hit on sale, see all. Then guys, I will show you how you can easily spy the winning product of this account. For example, scroll down on the bottom and the left side, then hit on sold item. Then automatically the eBay gives you the sold item on this account. As you see guys, this product it's sold in last few days. For example, this product, hit up, open this product, then you can guys easily list the product, but less than this price. After selecting the product, for example 41, then you can easily check the product on Alibaba, or then scroll down to, as you see guys, it's sold one sold in the last few days. Then guys, after finding the dropshippers, and you need to pick more than 10 dropshippers and always spy the product or sold product for these dropshippers. Then guys, if you don't like to list this product, or just you can open Alibaba, for example, and select a random product. For example, this product, if you want to list this product and list this product, for example, on your eBay account, it's very easy guys. Just select a random product, for example this product. If you want to list the same product on your eBay, first you need to open a new browser. It's very easy guys, and AliSave. Then on the search bar you need to add an extension, AliSave extension, AliSave plus extension. Then guys, AliSave from by image, back, then hit on install now this extension. It's very easy guys, just you need to add this extension to your browser, then hit on add extension. Then it will give you the ability to download any Alibaba image. Then after adding this extension, make sure to go and hit on extension icon and make it pin. Then open Alibaba account or Alibaba product and reload the page. Then you will be able to download any pictures and videos from this Alibaba account or Alibaba product. As you see guys, automatically this extension gives the ability to download the main image, variation image, and product also video. Then guys, for example, just you need to hit on main image, then wait a few seconds to download any main image to add it to your eBay account. Then guys, after adding or finding the product, just go back and open your eBay account and hit on sale on the top. It's very easy guys. Then you will be able to hit on list an item. Then guys, in the search bar you need to tap the title for this product. You need to reduce the title, for example face sneak care device messenger, for example, like this, and copy and paste it and hit on search. Then guys, make sure to select the condition, open new, then wait a few seconds. Now guys, you need to drag and add the picture. Again, open the image and select which image that you want to use. For example, select them all and drag it to your eBay listing section. Then wait a few seconds to drag and select which main picture. For example, this product. As you see guys, it's good for the main picture. Then guys, you need to, if you want to customize the title, first guys, if you want to add the same title, just copy the title and go and open your eBay account again and paste it to gives you the similar account or the similar product on eBay. Then guys, this is the similar product. Then make sure to select the sold one, as you see guys. Then you need to copy the title. It's very easy guys. Then add this title. Then guys, select which type, the colors if you want, then the item specifications. For example, make sure guys to always select unbranded, because if you are select brand, then automatically your product it will be deleted then again, and also your account it will be banned. Then always make sure to hit on unbranded because you are not using brand product. Then guys, if you want to add some additional specifications, body area, message functions, features, material, it's just an optional guys. If you want to add a new features, for example, just hit on add more. If you have a custom specification, just hit on add custom item specifications. Then the condition, always using the new condition. Then the description guys, make sure to add the eBay description, for example, for the same product, because if you are using the Alibaba description, if something talking about Alibaba, automatically your eBay account it will be banned. Then guys, make sure to copy and paste the same eBay description. Then guys, the pricing section, always using the buy it now. It's very easy guys to dropship any product from Alibaba to eBay. Then guys, the quantity. Then guys, also if you want to add the quantity, and scroll down to shipping section. If you want to select which shipping section that you want, domestic shipping, and also if you want to promote and if you want also promote your listing, I prefer to not selecting or promoting your product. Then guys, and the last, hit on list item. Then guys, this is the easy method to dropship Alibaba product or any Alibaba product on your eBay account with the easy method and without using any application or prior experience. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.